The RYOBI ONE+ HP 20-inch multi-blade self-propelled lawn mower. HP technology and a brushless motor deliver maximum performance, while the four 4-amp-hour batteries provide 45 minutes of runtime with just the push of a button. As part of our Whisper series of tools, this mower is engineered to give you all the power without the noise. It's quieter than a conversation, with noise-dampening blades for maximum noise reduction. The large 20-inch deck and self-propelled rear-wheel drive allow you to tackle every inch of your yard with ease. The cross-cut multi-blade system utilizes 2 blades to provide superior cutting performance for enhanced mulching, bagging, and side discharge, resulting in a cleaner, healthier-looking lawn. Easily change between 7 different cutting heights in a single motion, and when the bag is full, it lifts through the handle to quickly empty. The handles fold for compact vertical storage and includes 2 rapid chargers so you're ready for the next job. The RYOBI ONE+ HP 20-inch multi-blade self-propelled lawn mower, part of the ONE+ system, exclusively at the Home Depot.